Mnangagwa party name used in vehicle fraud. By Crime and Courts reporter Vertical Bar, the 16th of August 2025. Harare, a 27-year-old Butariro man has appeared in court accused of fraudulently using the name of ZANU-PF, the ruling party led by President Emmerson Mnangagwa, to hire vehicles which he allegedly diverted for personal use. The accused, Martin Mudais, is alleged to have approached car rental operator Sanangurai Kundidzora in July and hired a white Toyota Hilux and a gray Audi, claiming the vehicles were required to transport ZANU-PF delegates. According to the National Prosecuting Authority, NPA, Mudais agreed to pay $150 per day for the Hilux and $50 per day for the Audi over 28 days, amounting to $5,600. However, subsequent investigations revealed that no ZANU-PF officials had used the vehicles. Instead, Mudais allegedly diverted them for private errands. Prosecutors said the misrepresentation was intended to give the transaction credibility and allow Mudais to use the vehicles without scrutiny. When the rental period lapsed, the complainant discovered that the vehicles had not been used for official party business and that the accused had failed to honor the debt. The accused misrepresented facts to the complainant so that he would use the vehicles himself, the NPA stated. Mudais appeared before Harare Provincial Magistrate Apollonia Mariudia, who remanded him in custody while a ruling on his bail application is pending.